Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a shopping haul that I picked up from Crafts by Tereasa. I bought one item during a sale, and then I bought one that she mentioned she had, and then I bought a blind box from her. And what I mean, I bought a blind box is I have no idea what's in it. So, she did stick the couple items that I purchased from the sale in the box to save shipping for me because of course I paid shipping. So, first thing I have I'm going to show is this is Cosmic Shimmer Blood Glitter. Blood Blondie Greta something. But it's pretty red. Love it. And then there's a green. Oh no, that's like a blue. And then a multicolor one with pinks, blues, looks like red in there. And then also got Distressed Glitter Clear Rock Candy. That's cool. And then I got this little container, which got little coin envelopes, which I love. I was almost out of these, so that's cool. So I like altering them. And then I got these drama sticks, and they're like little eyeliners, and you have to sharpen them. But Teresa's gonna kind of show me what to do with them. There's two different types in here, she said. So you got the loose black types, and then we got the ones that are like this. Looks like a, oh, look how fine that is. Ooh, it's like an eyeliner almost. So she included the little sharpener for me. She told me she's gonna kind of, I'm gonna watch some videos, and she's gonna kind of teach me one day when we're going live together how to use them properly. And I have burnt up in a conversation with Tereasa. I don't know how we got talking. I went through 3 glue guns last year, guys. Yep, I burnt up 3. And she had an extra one she was going to destash, and I bought it from her. And it's actually a cordless one. I think I have to get like a phone charger thing, she told me. And then it charges, and it's hands-free, no cord. Awesome sauce. And she sent me some glue sticks for it, so that's cool. And then a bag of buttons. So this was in the blind box. So this was the glue gun, and this was separate from the sale. And then she was going through stuff, and I'm like, I'll buy a blind box from you. And she goes, what's a blind box? I said, where it's a box of stuff that you just throw in together, and I give you a price for it. And I don't know what it is. So I have no idea. So that was in the blind box. These were the blind box. I knew about the buttons. Look at, that's cool, because I really wanted these. I love the colors. See, those are my colors, like turquoise, hot pink, and black. So them, I love the size of these buttons. I was like, oh, clusters. Okay, so I got that. And let's see. And then we have this in the blind box. Look at that pretty lace, pearls. Man, if a person could sew, I could do like little baptism gowns and hats. I mean, if I could do all this pretty stuff. That one. And we got this one. So pretty. And then we got this one. Look at that. It's got rhinestones and pearls. That's gorgeous. And then we got, oh my God, look at this one. Whoa! I'm pulling out of the box. And we got, look at that one. Wouldn't that look cool on down a spine of a vintage journal? That looks so pretty. Look at that. And then I got this one, and you know what went through my mind? It's long, it's huge, it's black. Is my granddaughter, Riley Rue. She likes playing in my lace. She plays my lace, and she puts it around like she's dressing up with it. And I could see her doing this one as a boa, I think they call them, around her neck. And say, look at me, Nana. She puts on I have a little jewelry box full of fake little old jewelry that I let her play with. So I can see her using that. That's pretty, because it's like little flowers, kind of. Yeah, it's very sheer. It's very pretty. That. And then we got some plasticine bags, right? Let's see. We got 2 red polka dot ones. See, I alter all these. We got 2 pink ones. That's cool. Wow, I like making stuff and putting them in little bags. That. We got a notebook. Oh, look how vintage that is. Oh, see, this would be a journal for me. Paper is nice. Oh, yeah. That's cool. I check the paper because I sometimes color in it. Then we got a couple notebooks here. And I like these little notebooks. Oh, they actually say page 5, page 8. I put notebooks like this. I got 3 in my backpack right now. And then I have 3 pens. And then I got a little zipper pouch thing with some colors and color pencils in. So if I'm out with the kids or we're in a vehicle and they're with me and they get bored, I pull this out and they are happy campers. And then we got little notebooks. And then we got some, ooh, I love bags. I love altering bags. These are cool. They're tall ones. Are cool. Damn. And then we have another little bag full of bags. Another bag full of bags. Haha. Some more bags. And then these types. And this one. And that one. Ooh, look at this color. Ooh, I might have to save these for Allie. Do something with. Look at those colors. Some of Allie's like colors. She loves those colors. I'll be like, Allie. Hey, guys, if you have nothing to do, you're wanting to watch something, go watch Allie's. I don't know, remember the title, but it's Nana and Allie do fairy house or something on lines, and see my granddaughter do mixed media on her fairy house. It's funny. She did a good job. And then go watch her the video where she describes her finished fairy house, which turned into a bunny beach house. It's so cute. And we got some of them. And then we have this. I don't remember what they call this. Wouldn't that look cool in a journal? Where you put the paper, the same paper going all the way down. And you can flip. And you could do another paper going all the way down or leave. Is that great? That's cool. And then we have a cinch for a cinch. And I have the cinch. I even got some wires. I should haul that out and use that more often. It's one of those I got a good deal from it. Matter of fact, where did I get it from? I think I bought it from Teresa. Matter of fact, and she always has such good deals. And then I got some, you know, all this wonderfulness. Everything's wonderfulness. But I'll tell you my favorite thing is none of this stuff right here. I'll tell you why. Right now. Because I got some of Teresa's art. And I love getting other people's art. And we're both mixed media artists, but we're just so different. So getting some of hers, that's going in a frame. Look at that. That's so cool. So receiving somebody else's mixed media. Okay. I don't know how she did that. How did you do that? Look at that shimmer, guys. Can you see that shimmer? I want to know. I bet you that's that sheet she rubs on there. I bet you. Now that I think about it, she has this like stuff that she rubs. Like I said, I learned something once in a while. Teresa, you didn't sign it. Oh, I'm gonna have to sign them. Oh, T. Brady. Look at. That were cool. Oh, look at, she sent me one of her, like, this isn't a coffee filter. She told me it's, oh man. They're like a coffee filter, but they're a different texture. She sent me some of them. Look at that one. Oh, look how pretty they are. I know one thing that's on my list. It's like these tissue papers that she uses. And she told me where to find them. I just have to, they're on my list. They're on my wish list. And you put it down and you spritz and it makes, it spreads. It's like kind of cool. Oop. Dropping stuff. And then look at this one. Oh, look at that. Teresa's my sparkle girl. She likes adding sparkles. I don't add shimmer too much to my stuff. She does. Which is cool because that's a different medium that she uses that I don't. Look at that. See? Shimmery girl! Look at how pretty these are. I like getting other people's art. And what's that? Oh, just that waterfall. That's what it's called. The waterfall. The waterfall. That's what I think they're called. A waterfall. I could be mistaken. I think it's a waterfall. And then Teresa had these stamps that she sold on her sale, and one stamp that I heard her read out loud. Have at it, Joe bought the stamps, and I'm like, Joe, can I have Teresa stamp that out for me? And I'm just gonna scan it. It was, I like to party. In my party, I mean, stay at home in my PJs and do crafts. I thought that was so funny. So Teresa stamped it out for me, and I'm gonna scan that in, and then so I have that. I thought it was so funny. So that is my what did I call it now? Blind box. I bought a blind box for Teresa. So I had all this goodness in it. The only thing I knew that was coming for me was the glue gun and the Jane Davenport. The rest was a blind box. I had no clue. This is fun. So I'm going to stick it back in the box for a little while because guess what, guys? In an hour's time from now, because it's exactly 6 o'clock as I'm doing this video, in an hour, it's birthday bingo, people! So if you're seeing this right now, just remember, come back at 7 o'clock Central Standard Time. It's birthday bingo for me. I hope to see you guys there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Bye, everybody.